Okay, so here we are again, and I'm going to try to show you on your screen how we're going to work this. So just follow me. This is a site called Pearson Realize.com. Oh no, here, this. Okay, bear with me, cause okay, yeah, that's it. So it takes you to this place where I am going to give you a username. You each one, the computer created the username, so don't kill the messenger because some of them are just really weird. Okay, but the computer created the usernames, and then I created the password. So I will give you that too, and then you're gonna sign in. Once you sign in, you're going to this browse, and it's gonna open your book. This is the electronic book. For those of you who were with me last year, it's very similar to the Realidades activities we did in the computer last year. So this is our chapter. Here's where we're gonna be working. So when you go here, you're gonna find you're gonna find your class. You probably are already there when you sign in. I don't know. I will have to see it from the student view. But then you're gonna have to click on the assignments. So you will see that you have two assignments. The two assignments had different parts in it that you have to complete. So I guess when you complete it, it's gonna show here for me. And if I go here, it's gonna show me what student has completed. So hopefully this works. It will be great if it works because I know that we can do more work this way and we can complete more activities and cover the contents that we need to cover. So we're gonna try that, and I'm gonna show you right here is your assignment that I'm gonna post for you. It's about the verbs, the ER and IR verbs, and I put a video there already for you that you just need to look at. And then I'm gonna put this video that I'm recording right now. It's gonna be here, so you just click here and then you can go over, and then you're gonna complete the assigned activities. Now, things that I need you to do is probably email me when you get here, and I'm gonna put it right here. Email me for your username. So everybody doesn't have everybody's information. Not that I don't trust you, but okay, forget that part. I just want to give every one of you your username so you have it and you can work on your activities and do the activities right, and then complete them. And also I am doing the text box like I have been sending the other assignments. I have a text entry box so you can put there your questions. You can just type your questions there. And if you don't have any questions, I want you to type in the box, I do not have any questions. So I know you completed your assignment. I know you don't have any questions. And that will count as you went in Canvas and did your work even when the work is done in the book. I hope that makes sense for you. And if no, just ask me and I'll try to help you. But let's cross the fingers that this works. I miss you guys. And eventually we're going to be talking or doing some activities where we're going to need to speak. Also, what was the other? Oh, sorry, I forgot what I was saying. Okay. Anyway, if I remember something, I make an announcement, or oh yeah. I was gonna talk about the conference. I'm going to schedule a conference so we can get together and you can ask me questions. So I'm gonna think about it, and I think I'm gonna put it here in this plan for this week. Good luck with that, guys. I hope that this helps, and I'll see you around. No, you see me because I cannot see you. Okay. Well, you have a good day. Nos vemos. Chao.